You've nearly got it. Just be careful coming down.
Okay, I think I can manage now. Thank you.
All right, steady now. Lift it up and away from the gearing. Easy does it. All right, move that wheelbarrow over to the left pile next. We need to clear this section before lunch. Almost there, turn it one more time.
Tight.
Wonderful work, gentlemen. It looks perfect. Housing is tight.
Check the voltage regulator. Are we stable yet?
Just calibrated it. Should be good to go. There it goes.
There it goes.
Nice and steady.
Okay, gently now. Right there.
Perfect. It looks amazing.
The flowers finish it perfectly.